Hey everybody, today we're diving into something pretty awesome from Ray-Ban, the Change Collection. First up, the design. The Change Collection includes classic shapes like the Wayfarer Original and the Oval. You get the timeless Ray-Ban style with frames cropped from premium acetate. This material gives you the durability without the bulk, so it feels great in your hands and on your face. Example, photochromic lenses. These lenses adapt to different lighting conditions. Indoors, they clear or have a subtle tint, but as soon as you step outside, they darken to protect your eyes from the sun. So it's like having two pairs of glasses, not one, two. Ray-Ban also offers a range of frames, colors, and lens tints in this collection. So there's plenty of room to find that style that fits your look. The collection is all about flexibility and choice. And as always with Ray-Ban, there's attention to detail on the spot. The acetate frames aren't just stylish, they're durable, lightweight, and comfortable for all-day wear. Plus, Ray-Ban's design just has that classic vibe that works with everything and anything. Along with sunglasses, you get Ray-Ban's brand case and cleaning cloth, a couple of other frames, a little booklet with other frames if you want to get the whole collection. I mean, why not? They really thought of everything to make these glasses all in one package. That's the Change Collection, timeless style and modern adaptive tech. If you're ready to upgrade your eyewear, Ray-Ban's offering you the chance to get this right now. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and let me know in the comments if there's any other questions that you would like me to answer. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Goodbye.